guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to quickly jump on here. Number one, apologize for not being here for the last few days, but I took some time with my grandbabies and my husband, and so I have not been on here and posted a video. But I wanted to just jump on here this evening and show you a new collection that hopefully will be uploaded in my Etsy by the time this video uploads. But it is a collection of loaded tags. Let me first show you the kit. So it comes in the pink tones. And so you've got your big tag, your little tag, your pocket, and you don't have to do it as loaded tags. You can use each item individually. So you've got your big tag, little tag, your pocket. You've got a couple tickets and a couple tiny journal cards. And then you also have a page of small ephemera. This is like a little envelope, a little music page, you know, a little invoice type thing, postcard, a bingo card, a stamp, some roses, and some writing paper. So you have that in the pink color. Then we also have a blue toned one. And so again, you have your smaller journal card, or your smaller tag, your larger tag. This one has the roses theme. This one is like a lined ledger paper. So again, you can use each item individually or do a loaded tag. In the ephemera section of this, you have some of the same elements. You have the music paper, the invoice, the postcard, the bingo card. Look at that on that little envelope. I love it. So you have it in blue. And then you also get it in this tan color. So the same type things. And the tan is what I have worked on and done this evening to show you guys. So let me just show you what I've done. So I actually, and I still have to punch my hole and put some ribbon and stuff, but I actually decided to do it as a loaded tag. I did back the large tag and the small tag. I backed that with some coffee dyed paper. For my pocket, I folded the little flaps. I folded them in and glued them on the inside. I don't know if you can see right there, so that it gives my pocket a little bit more room. I did glue down this side. So I have the smaller tag, and I just put the stamp and a rose there. So then I have the smaller tag there. And then in my little envelope, it is so adorable. Oh my goodness. I just tucked in a couple of the tickets and the bingo card. Excuse me, I just tucked them right in there. And so then I have my little journal card that I tuck in there. My little piece of music paper. And then I have my little sewing machine ad card. And then I have my little invoice from Clover Farm Store. Then I have this cute little journal card. And then I have this little postcard. And you can see it's really not that thick. You could even put this in a journal just like this. You could send this in Happy Mail. You can do a lot of stuff with it. And like I said, again, you can use each item individually. It doesn't have to be a loaded tag, but I absolutely love the loaded tag. How much fun would it be to open a journal? And especially if you don't put that in there, you can get that it can be really flat. I just happen to really, I enjoy that little envelope. But that envelope could be something that if you're worried about it getting too bulky, but you still want like all of these elements, you could do them like this and then put this somewhere else. Maybe a little paper clip on the side of the page that this is on. But I mean, it lays down very flat. You can see there's hardly any thickness to it, but you just have so many different elements to it. So I absolutely love this. So there it is, guys. I know this was a quick video, but I was just wanting to jump on here, and rather than just do the typical thing where I just kind of flip through it on a video with this music, I wanted to actually show you what you could make with it. So again, you get it in your tan color. So you get both pages in the tan. And this is, it's all one, it's not like you have to choose tan, blue, or pink. It's the entire thing. You get all three tag sets with the purchase. And so there's the blue, and I think the favorite part of the blue for me is that envelope. And then you see the roses are kind of blue tinted. So there's that again. And then the pink. And of course, you guys know I couldn't do anything without having roses. Hello. So there you go, guys. So hopefully by the time this video posts, this will already be in my Etsy, and I will leave a link to it down below. So make sure you jump over there, grab your kit, and make it and show it to me. I would love to see what you do with yours. And that's the funny thing about this kind of stuff, is you can give the same, you can give 10 different people the exact same elements to work with. Everything can be identical, and I can assure you that there will not be a single two that are anywhere, you know, the same. They're all going to be different no matter what. So I am looking forward to seeing what all you guys create with yours, whether you use it as a loaded tag or whether you use each item individually. So go get yours and show me what you make with it. I'll talk to you guys later. I'll be back in full swing probably tomorrow evening. I don't think I'll have a video uploaded in the morning. I may try. I actually tried to do one earlier. Let me digress this moment. I did try to do one earlier. I am making this huge ephemera storage. You may have seen the one on Scrapbooking with Me, and I have one in a smaller version that I have done and I absolutely love, but I needed a larger one, so I started doing this, and I was recording the video and everything was going good, and I realized I didn't have my mic on and you couldn't hear anything. So yeah, but we'll see. I may try to recreate it or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out, but I'll try to have a video up for you guys for in the morning. But if not, just know that Wednesday morning you will have a video for sure. But again, jump over there, grab yours, and show me what you make. Bye, guys.